So the time is 1:55. 30. Here he comes. Short guy.
Gray pants, black shirt. And
He
black
always
bandana.
have ski mask. Getting in the car. He left his backpack somewhere. I know he has a bike because he comes with bike at night. We've seen him before. And here he is. Steals the car. She got here about 1:37. Broke into the lock
At around
of the
1:30.
shop. Got the key. He leaves. He had a backpack. He
For
left
about
his
20
backpack.
minutes.
Comes back.
It was a 20
And
minutes
then he
time span.
steals the truck.
20-minute time span from him and taking the key to him taking the car.
Yeah.